What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here, and in this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your Facebook business page. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to watch all the way to the end, where I'm going to show you how to set up everything correctly under the settings and how to transfer everything to your business manager if you have one. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go right up here where it says create. I'm going to click right there, and then you're going to click page, okay? Then it's going to take you to this other page, and it's going to ask you, do you want to create a business or a brand, or do you want to create a community or public figure? In this case, we're going to do a business or a brand. So you're going to select get started, and then we got to give our page a name. So we can name it, let's do yoga. I think that's right? I always hear that term somewhere. I don't know. I think it's right. And then category, you got to choose your category. So what you got to do, you got to start typing. So this is going to be let's say a fitness studio or a gym, right? So it's going to give you options. And I don't know why they do it like this, but make sure you search for the type of business that you have. And this is very, very important, because whatever classification that you select right here is the category that Facebook's going to put you under. And when people are searching inside Facebook, or if they're searching anywhere else, that's how Facebook is going to classify you, and that's how they're going to put you in front of people, whether it's local or nationwide and all that good stuff. So the next thing you're going to do, you got to put in your address if you're a local business. So we can say 123 Main Street. All right, and then you put your phone number. You don't have to put in a phone number if you don't want to, if it's like a e-com store or something like that, but I recommend you do if you have one. Don't show my address. Only show that this business is in the city, state, and region. So this is up to you. I mean, if you want people to find you by typing in an address, or to make it easier for people to find you, Facebook takes all that information. So if you have an address, if you're a local business, then put the address. If you're an e-com store or something like that, then you don't have to have the address there. So hit continue. I'm going to do that. Give it a second or a minute or another second. All right. And then it's going to ask you to add a profile picture. So I'm going to do that. And we're going to go here. And then I already saved these pictures just to start. And you can actually get these made using this program called Canva, or no program, website called Canva, and it's free. And they actually have templates ready for you to go. So if you go in here, you're gonna see Facebook post, Facebook cover. So it will pre-size the picture for you, and then you just gotta make it your own. So that's a little quick tip right there, and it's completely free. So keep that in mind. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a cover photo. Same thing, I already had one ready to go here, so I'm just gonna put that in here. And then it's gonna ask if you wanna add online booking. So again, if you have a virtual service, if you're a local store and you offer appointments, you can add online booking where it will show the calendar on the page, and people can click on the calendar and book an appointment to come to your place of business. In this case, I'm not going to add one because this is supposed to be a fitness studio. So I'm going to click not now. All right. And there you go. There's our page. So we have our cover photo. We have a profile picture. And guys, make sure that when you create your cover photo and your profile picture, you create it for mobile first. Most people, 99% of people, are going to look at your page on mobile. So make sure that is, that you create the photo to match the mobile layout perfectly, okay? Here you can add a button. So you click on that and you can add a button to message you, to book an appointment with you, to learn more about the business, to shop with you if you integrate a shop with it, or download your app or game. I usually just do contact you if it's like a local business, so you can just put send message. You wanted to send you a message from Messenger, click next. All right. And where would you like this button to send people? Messenger. So you select Messenger and you click Finish. All right, so that's going to add your Messenger on there. Okay, the other thing that I want you to do is that you're going to come in here and we're going to create a username. So in this particular store, we're going to call it, probably not available, but oh, it is available. There you go. So that's going to be your Messenger name. So if people search you on Messenger, they can just do the @Bergham Yoga for this example and just create a username. So make sure you do that. Said okay. The other thing that you're going to do is we're going to go under our settings here and edit the page info. So click on that. All right. And here you can add more than one category. So that's a little trick. So if you have more than one category, you can add them on there. So, if you want to do, sports and fitness instruction, or you want to do gymnastics center, you can do more than one. So more than three. No, it's three. Okay. So save changes. So make sure you save that. You can enter your phone number here if you have one. You can enter your URL here if you have one. If you don't, just click my page doesn't have a website. Email, so I would highly suggest that you put your support email on there as well so people can contact you if needed. Address, if you want to show the address, right? You can add when you're open and when you're closed. That way your customers know what time you're open, what time of the day you're open, what time of the day you're closed. So make sure you fill this out along with the day of the week, okay? So you can add, temporary updates as well on here. So make sure you do that. You can specify your price range if you want. Edit and press them. I don't even know why they still have this. It's like, it's an optional fill for certain countries, I guess. If you're in the US, I don't know anyone who uses this, so I wouldn't worry about that. Privacy policy. If you do have a privacy policy, make sure you put your link right here for your privacy policy. So make sure you do that. Next, we're going to move into messaging. So when you go to messaging, you can just use your general settings where, the message is going to come in and there's not going to be a bot hooked up to your messenger, okay? Or you can turn this on to show a greeting. So you click on that and it will show, hey, so-and-so, thanks for getting in touch with us. Please send us any questions you may have. And you can actually change this to whatever you want. So you can change it to, hey, we're only open from this time to that time, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So make sure you set that up, okay? You can actually grab the code here to add Messenger to your own website, okay? And you can even build a bot where you can set up automated messages. So when people ask questions, the bot is going to answer those questions. That's going to be a whole video for you guys for another time. Let's get through the settings here. Templates and tabs. This is one that not too many people know about. So this is the current template. It's standard. And what this dictates, the type of template that you select, it's going to dictate what shows on your page on the left side as far as options go. Okay, and you can change your settings. So if you click on settings, it will tell you, how you can share the URL to share your post. Events, you can set your settings for local events, all that good stuff. You can turn this on and off. One that I recommend, this is up to you, you can actually turn on and off your reviews. So if you're launching a brand new business and you're still trying to get things straight and you're going to, let's say you're a restaurant, and when restaurants open, when they launch, when they do a soft opening or the first week they're open, they mess a lot of things up. So you don't want customers coming in here and leaving you bad reviews, because guess what? If there's bad reviews, you cannot remove them. So if it's a brand new business, you don't have your process down and you still have to work out kinks, turn this off, okay? If you have all your business in place and you know what you're doing and the business is running smoothly, you're taking care of your customers, they're super excited all the time, then turn it on, because the more reviews that you get, the farther up in quality Facebook's gonna rank you. Okay, so if somebody's searching for a local business and you have a lot more reviews than other people, Facebook is gonna rank you higher. So make sure you turn those on if everything's working correctly. If you're still working out your kinks, keep it off, okay? So let's go through the templates so you can see the different templates depending on the business. So standard is going to show you right here, photos, about, community, groups, all that good stuff. If you want to open a group for your page, if you want to have, community. This is new actually, community tab. They just added this, but groups, that's if you want to have your own Facebook group with people, your customers. You can have promotions, you can have people on there that join the group. But let's go through the templates here. So you have standard, you have services. So if you're like a barber shop or any service type of business. So I can't think straight right now. So I don't know. Give me a service. I can't think of a service. Let's just say beauty salon, nail salon, haircuts, that type of stuff. Those are services, right? And you can show your offers, your photos, videos, all that stuff. All right. Then you have business. This is just for a regular business, like an office. Let's say you're a law firm or something like that. This is going to be a layout for a business. And again, if you click on details, it's going to show you what it shows. And basically just pre-selects the tabs for you that you can have on your page, right? Venues, pretty self-explanatory. If you have a venue, a music venue, or a sports venue. Again, all this does is change the layout of your page to accommodate this stuff right here to make it a little bit easier for you, but you can customize it however you want. So you can select one of these pre-made templates or not, that's up to you. Or you can just, do it manually. So if you're a video creator, if you're an influencer, you can do the video page. If you're a store, you can do shopping. If you're a restaurant, you can do restaurants and cafe, right? Primary buttons, get directions, buttons and toolbar, like, follow, share, and save, right? So that's basically what the layout does, right? So in this case, what are we? We're a yoga studio, So you know what? I'm going to keep it standard. Event ticketing. This is if you want to manage events where you can use a service called Eventbrite, and you can actually sell tickets directly on Facebook. Or if you have and you have an Eventbrite account, you can actually import everything to your Facebook page. Notifications. Here you're going to see all the notifications settings for your page, so you can turn them off. That way your profile doesn't get inundated with notifications all day long. I suggest you turn email off. Definitely turn text messages off. You don't want that. Messages, sure, get a notification. Just make sure you go through all of this and make sure you turn them off if you don't want them annoying you. And later down the video, I'm going to show you how to transfer this to a business manager so you separate it from your personal account. Page roles. This is what if you want to add an admin to your group or an editor. Admin has control all over for the whole page. But if you have people that work for you, you can add them as an editor, moderator, advertiser. Depending on your page, make sure you select that you can add people that work for you to mod the page or to make edits. But make sure that you, as yourself, stay as the main person. Okay, make sure that you stay as the admin, because you have full control. You never ever give away your admin rights to anyone else. Okay. People and other pages. This is where you can see the people that like your page. So if you're gonna see, once you start getting likes and followers, you're gonna see them. There's gonna be a list built in here, and you can actually ban them from here. So if anybody's giving you trouble or they're trolling or anything like that, just look it up by name, select, and you can literally just ban them from the page or remove them from page likes. Okay. So preferred page audience. This is could edit. You can still do. Oh, I guess they got rid of it. But this is where you can select restrictions based on the country and all that good stuff. Authorizations. This is where if you're running anything politics related, anything about social issues, elections, or politics, like I just mentioned, they want to be transparent about it. So you actually have to be authorized. Okay, so you select your country, and it's going to ask you a few questions, and then you take it from there. Branded content, you don't need to worry about that. They're doing an update on that where you're going to be able to see insights and stuff like that, but it's not ready yet. Instagram, this is where you hook up your Instagram account to your Facebook page, where once you connect your Instagram account, if you make a post on Instagram, you can make it so it's automatically posted to Facebook. And also when you bring it to your business manager, you can actually control, it's all connected for your ads. So that's what that is. Featured. What is featured? I can't remember top of my head. If you haven't liked any other pages as okay, so if you like any other business pages and you wanna feature the pages that you like or that you follow, you can actually add the feature likes in here. Cross posting, that's if you have multiple business pages, you can actually make a post in multiple pages at the same time. So if you make a post on this page, it will automatically make it to whatever page you add here or other pages you add in here. Page support inbox, that's if you get in trouble with Facebook and you're waiting for them to review something. This is where you're gonna see your reviews and all that good stuff. Wi-Fi network, that is for local businesses, I believe. Yeah, you add your public Wi-Fi network and it will show that the people has Wi-Fi. So if somebody walks into your business, it shows your Wi-Fi connection and you want them to hook up to your Wi-Fi connection because then Facebook can track that. And if Facebook can track that, guess what? That makes your ads even better. So add your Wi-Fi connection on here. Appointment settings. Again, this is where you set up all your calendar and appointment settings. You can set up your availability, your time zone, what's available. You can connect it to your personal calendar. You can show the types of services that you offer as a local business or a nationwide business for that matter. Here's where you flip it on and off and you add your service, right? So I don't have a service, so I'm not gonna click anything on there. Appointment messaging, all that good stuff. So, and then your notifications, right? This is where you set all that stuff, when you set it all up. Page management history, this is where you're gonna go and it's going to show you if you have a bunch of people on your team, whatever changes that they make or anything like that, it's gonna show it to you on here, okay? The other thing you can do, you can go to Insights. Insights is going to show you, it's very important because it's going to show you, what time of the day people are on your page. And this is something that I really highly recommend that you play with because it's going to give you the data. It's actually going to tell you, this is very important right here. You want to see what posts people are engaging with the most, if they're organic or if they're paid. So make sure you pay attention to this because once you're posting and you're making tons of posts, you want to mimic whatever performs best here. And then these stats are going to show you, actions, page views, previews. So make sure you keep an eye on this so you can improve your content and make it better. Okay. The other thing right here, you can select and you can actually add competitors right here and you can keep up with what they're doing. All right. So Facebook automatically is going to add, competitors for you, but I highly suggest that you find your top 5 competitors on Facebook, you add them on here. And you can actually add watch page. And you can watch, when you add them, you can see what they're doing. What type of posts are they doing? Did they get any new likes this week? How many likes do they have? What posts are working best for them? Okay, so this is how you keep up with your competitors. This is how you see what they're doing, what they're up to, and how you can do much better. Ads, that's if you want to run ads, but it's going to open my business manager because I have a business manager. For you, we'll just make you create a new one. Followers, here's you're going to see all the data that's based on your followers. It's going to break it down for you. You can break it down by date, time, and all that good stuff. Likes, it's going to show you the amount of likes that you're getting on your page, what time of the day, what day of the week. You can select, month, quarter, week, whatever, all that good stuff. You can see your reach. So if you're posting a lot, you can figure out how much reach you're getting with just organic, or you can figure out how much reach you're getting with your paid ads. Page views, again, it's going to give you the total views based on the dates that you put in here. So you can see how many people are going to your page. That's always helpful. That's always good to know. Previews, how many people are previewing your, when Facebook previews your page to people that are related to the niche, it'll show you in here how many times they've done it. Actions, how many people have, this is very important, how many people have clicked on your buttons. So make sure you look at all this stuff. Are people clicking my get directions button? Do I need to make anything better? Do I need to make the message better? Website clicks, are people going to my website? Are people calling me? Are they clicking the action buttons, right? And you can break it down by country, city, by device if you want to, so you can see if they're all mobile or they're on desktop. Most people, again, they're going to be mobile. Post. Again, this is that section where you can see what posts are doing better than others. Make sure you keep an eye on that. And the clicks, reactions, and all that stuff, you can actually break it down in here by impressions, reach, and organic and paid. Events, that if you want to create events, it's going to open another page here. I've never done it from here. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, they changed it. So it's going to give you a little tour. Let's take the tour. All right, cool. So see the performance of all your events, including things like ticket sales, tickets, clicks, and signups. View and respond from guests, so you can respond to everybody. Scroll through. All right, so they're doing updates. That's really cool. So that's the events page. I suggest you go through it. Make sure you pay attention to the little tutorial they gave you there. It's really helpful, I'm sure. Videos. This is if you can see all your videos and how they're performing on your page. Facebook is relying heavily on video. They're pushing video, so you're gonna get more reach with that. 3 seconds and minutes. So if you have a video that stands out more than others, then recreate a video just like it or something related to it. Stories, this is going to give you the insights for your stories. You can turn it on right here. So if people are viewing your stories on top of the timeline, make sure, to see if what you're doing is working, and it will give you which ones are working the best. So you look at the date and you look at, when you get a spike in traffic, that means that they like that type of story. So try to replicate that. Messages, it's going to give you how many people are messaging you on a daily basis, last 7 days. You can change the date, yesterday, today, custom, all that good stuff. And orders if you're receiving orders, okay? Another helpful thing, it's going to be your publishing tools right here. Publishing tools is what lets you schedule your post, right? So you can go in here and you can actually schedule your post, ahead of time. So if you plan out all your posts, like pictures and videos, you can actually, schedule them out on here, right? So if you go here, it's going to be your published post. If you go to schedule posts, this is where you go create post, and you can, select when to post, that post that you're doing. So you do photo, video. Let's just select something. You upload. Well, there's a picture, so let's just do this just for this example, right? All right, schedule post. And then it will either give you a suggestion of, this one's not giving me right now because there's no data. So you can select the custom date and time, right? Or you can stop the newsfeed distribution. I don't know why you would do that, but definitely whenever you can, use the suggested, because Facebook knows when people are on and when they're most likely to see your post, okay? So I'm gonna cancel that. Draft, this is when you want to create a draft to post later and you're not ready, it's saved here automatically. If you have posts that are going to expire, it's going to show you in here when they expire. Videos, if you have videos, video library, pretty self-explanatory. This is going to be a list of all your videos, and you can actually download sounds for your videos for free. That way you don't have to worry about copyright infringement on Facebook where your video gets taken down, okay? Videos you can cross-post. If you have videos that you want to cross-post with other pages, that's where we're going to be. Creator Studio, that's going to be like an editing bay. I don't know if it's ready yet. Sound collection, this is when you can use the videos. Branded content, if you want to review your post, all that good stuff. Lead forms, this is where you create your lead forms, okay? So if you're running a lead ad, right? This is where you go to create your lead ad. So you click create, and then you can create a new form or duplicate, all right? So you just follow, so you will click new form and you click it from there, okay? That's how you do it. So let's cancel out of here so I can keep moving on. And then shop, if you have a shop, orders, pending orders, all that good stuff, right? So there's that. Okay, so here's the Creator Studio. You can see, make sure you play with all this good stuff. You can monetize your videos, all that stuff if you're a video creator. And then, sound collection, this is what I was telling you about. You can hit here and you can download the music. So you can use it for your videos. And again, you can search for, I don't know, rock or metal or whatever, and you play on it and it'll play the music, right? And it's copyright free. You don't have to worry about copyright infringement on your videos, all right? So there's that. Okay, so let's go back to our page. Oh, the other thing that you want to keep an eye on is your page quality. So page quality is, Facebook keeps track of the quality of your page, right? So if you're running ads, right, and you have a bad page quality score, they're going to penalize you for that. So make sure your score is 4 to 5. Anything below that, you're going to get penalized. And how do you keep that score up? You keep that score by offering great customer service, great products, product and quality. Okay, make sure, and it will tell you right here if you're violating any policies, if you violate policies or anything like that, or your customers are complaining about you. Okay. The other thing, you're going to go in here, your inbox. This is where you're going to control your conversations, all your messages from Messenger and your messages from Instagram. You can actually see them all in one place, and you can actually assign people from your team where they can review the messages and they can answer to people. And when they answer to people, there's going to be a little button that says done. So you can keep track of anybody that's keeping track with the messages. Ad center, that's if you wanna run an ad, but I don't recommend that you do it from here. I recommend that you have a business manager. Okay, so that is how you set up a business page from inside your personal Facebook. Now, once you set up this business page, what you want to do is you want to bring this page to your business manager, okay? Because you don't want this in your personal account. So what you do is you go to business manager. You should already have a business manager. If not, create one. Go to business.facebook.com. You're going to go to business settings. In the top right there, I did it really quickly. And you're going to go to pages right here. And to claim your page, you're going to click add. And you're gonna click add page. I'm sorry, I went blank for a second there. And then you will just type the name. There it is. And you see how it comes up? And I will just click it there. And then I will click add page and it will bring it automatically. So for purposes of this video, I'm not gonna do it because I'm gonna delete it as soon as I'm done recording. But this is how you bring your page to your business manager and how you control it from your business manager. Okay, so let's just do it. I'll delete it from here. What the hell? So it will bring the page, it's there, then all you do, you'll see your name there, that means you can control it and all that good stuff. And then if you want to remove it and bring it back, you don't want it in a business manager, you want it back in your personal, or just control it from your personal, just click remove and it's gone. Just like that. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to check out the links in the description below. It helps support the channel. And if you want to keep learning, keep moving on, make sure to click one of the boxes above me and I will see you in the next video.